Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? How was your day yesterday? Was it good? Did it went good? Hamad, kindly open your camera. Abraham Bete, open your camera. Fahad Shehzad, I want you to open your camera as well. I want everyone to open their camera. Hassan, are you feeling well today? Okay. Okay, Maheen, Fahad, open your Okay, something happened to my Zoom. I don't know what. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start our class with the recitation today. And I want Rubaisha to do the recitation today. बेटे रुबाइशा, आप कोई किसी भी सूरा की किरत कीजिए as we do it every day. Rubaisha, I want you to do it. And I want all the girls to cover their head. Rubaisha, unmute yourself, beta. Fahad and Maheen, open your camera. बेटे cover your head and कोई भी सूरा की recitation करें.
अच्छा
जी. Maheen, cover your head. बेटे जो कैमरा ओपन नहीं करेगा आई विल बी रिमूविंग यू फ्रॉम माय क्लास और फिर आप रीजॉइन नहीं कर सकते हो उस क्लास को. सो फहाद एंड माहिन, आई वांट बोथ ऑफ यू टू ओपन योर कैमरास. जी रुबाइशा, यू मे स्टार्ट नाउ. रुबाइशा बेटे,
टीचर कौन सी
बेटे कोई सी भी पढ़ लीजिए. कोई सी सूरा याद है आपको? कोई सूरा याद है आपको?
अच्छा टीचर 1 मिनट.
बेटे we don't have much time. We are supposed to study as well. Ishal Khan and Alishba, open your cameras. Fahad Shehzad, I'm warning you for the last time. Kindly open your camera. जी, ये अभी कैमरा ये क्लोज नहीं होना चाहिए, otherwise you will be going out of the class.
टीचर मैं सुना रही हूँ.
जी सुनाइए. बेटे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
टीचर मैं सुनाऊँ.
जी सुनाइए.
ألم تروا كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول.
बेटे okay, thank you, jazakallah Rubaisha. Okay, I want to tell one thing to all of you. ठीक है, that whenever we are supposed to start any surah, we are supposed to recite A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, right? And whenever we end the surah, we're supposed to say Sadaqallahul Azim, right? Am I right? You all are supposed to say it before and after. Okay? Before starting the surah and after finishing the surah. Okay? Okay, so Maheen, Ayan, Abbas, I guess. Muhammad, Ayan, Abbas. Yes, Ayan, Abbas, Maheen, Ishal, Malahim. Kindly open your camera. And if you have any issue related to opening the camera, you can write it in the chat box. I'll be reading it over there. Okay, so let's not waste time and just take a short review. What did we learn in the previous class? हमने last class में क्या पढ़ा था? Can anyone of you tell us? जी Abraham. जी Abraham, unmute yourself.
टीचर हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था एडिशन के, हम लोगों ने पढ़े थे कि आप कैसे कर सकते हो। और मेरा जो है ना थोड़ा सा माइक के साथ इश्यू हुआ था तो इसलिए मैं आपको नहीं सुना सका। तो मैं क्या आपको अभी अपना सुना दूं?
नहीं, अभी नहीं सुनाए। अभी हम सिर्फ ये पढ़ रहे हैं कि हमने एक्चुअली पढ़ा क्या था, हमारा मेन पॉइंट था क्या। ओके, उसके बाद जब हम पॉइंट्स पे आएंगे ना उसके, देन आई विल बी गिविंग यू अ चांस। ओके
टीचर हम लोगों
Okay, so Hassan, as Abraham said, unmute yourself, Hassan. As Abraham said कि हमने addition पढ़ा था, तो हमने addition में क्या पढ़ा था? Can you tell us further? हमने क्या पढ़ा?
different ways of addition.
Okay, we learned doing different ways of addition. Excellent, very good. So how many ways are there to do the addition? Yes, Malahim, unmute करें और हमें बताएं कि कितने ways हैं, कितने different ways से हम addition perform कर सकते हैं. Yes, Malahim. बेटे आप unmute हो गए हो. I can't hear you, but
5 ways.
No, there are not 5 ways. You are wrong. Can anyone tell us? Anyone else? Yes, Mahi, unmute yourself. Boliye, Mahi. How many ways are there in the addition?
Teacher, 4 ways.
Excellent. There are 4 ways. Okay, Amna Tabish. तो कोई एक वे बताएं कि हम उसमें कैसे कोई एडिशन करने का वे, कोई एक वे बताएं हमें, और इसके साथ give us an example as well. Yes, Amna Tabish. Sorry, I can't hear you. थोड़ा जोर से बोलेंगी? बोलो. Sorry, which edition? बेटे थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
Addition.
Number line addition. Number line addition. बेटे आमना, आपकी आवाज बहुत हल्की आ रही है.
खराब है ये. बोलो मिसको.
मेरा माइक खराब है.
बेटे आप ना चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो, कोई बात नहीं है, आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो. आपकी आवाज बहुत हल्की आ रही है ना, आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो.
चैट बॉक्स खोलो.
आप बैठ क्यों कर?
You can write it down in the chat box, beta. Okay, no problem. Okay, so okay, Zainab, let's give a chance to Zainab. Ji Zainab, unmute yourself and tell us any one way of doing addition जो आपको अच्छा लगा हो. 4 ways. ठीक है जी.
Count mentally.
Count mentally. Okay, so can you give us one example of that count mentally part?
First mute in your mind and second mute in your fingers, and then some answer will come.
Okay, so in addition, the first number is called the first addend, and the second number is called the second addend. Okay, so you keep the first addend in your mind and you take the second addend on your fingers and then you sum up. Okay, very good, excellent, very good. आप हमें number count करके कोई example दे सकती हैं? Like 4 in my mind, 4 on my fingers, or something else.
3 plus 2, 3 in your mind and 2.
Okay.
4, 5.
Excellent. So what's the answer now? Okay, so एक टाइप तो एक वे हमें बता दिया है जैनब ने. Okay, so Shabi Fatma, unmute yourself and tell me the next way. You can give us example of that. Fatma कहाँ चली? Okay, here she is.
Yeah, Miss Nike.
Which?
Yeah, Miss. Count mentally.
Okay, you also count mentally. Okay, very good. So can you give us one example of that? How do we perform that?
Count mentally. Example is one in my mind, two in my fingers, answer in 3.
Okay, thank you so much. बेटे अयान अहमद, आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, लेकिन सबको मेरी आवाज जा रही है. I don't know why you can't hear me. There might be some issue with your earplugs or the laptop or whatever gadget you are using. So बेटे आप ask mama to help you. ठीक है? Okay. So who else is going to tell me some other? सबको count mentally ही क्यों पसंद आ रहा है? किसी को number line और इतने साथ 2, 3. There are 4 ways to do the addition. Okay, let's give a chance to Talbiha. Talbiha, unmute yourself. जी
Yes, miss.
बताइए आपको कौन सा एडिशन का वे अच्छा लगा?
मिस मुझे फिंगर्स वाला बहुत अच्छा होता है.
Okay, so can you
इससे
give us
आसानी भी हो
example?
सकती है. Yes, miss.
So kindly give us.
I have 5 fingers. 1,
Okay.
5, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 10.
Okay, excellent. Very good. Thank you so much. You'll Talbiha like the way doing addition by the fingers, by the help of the fingers. Okay, there are 2 more ways. So who's going to tell us those 2 more ways? Okay, Alishba, unmute karo beta. Unmute yourself.
I also like finger counting.
You also like the finger counting way. Okay, yes, Abdul Bari, unmute yourself, Abdul Bari, and हमें बताइए.
मिस मैं अभी भी आया, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा आप क्या पढ़ा रही हैं.
बेटे मैं कुछ नहीं, मैं सिर्फ कल का रिव्यू पढ़ा रही हूँ, करवा रही हूँ कि हमने कल पढ़ा था 4 वेज ऑफ एडिशन हो सकती है. तो आपको कौन सा वे ऑफ एडिशन सबसे अच्छा लगा था?
मिस फिंगर.
ओके, तो सबको या तो फिंगर एडिशन पसंद आया या पे काउंट मेंटली पसंद आया. किसी को काउंट बाय काउंटर्स नहीं समझ, एडिशन बाय काउंटर्स एंड एडिशन बाय नंबर लाइन अच्छा नहीं लगा है? किसी को भी एडिशन बाय काउंटर और अच्छा चलें चांस देते हैं हम अयान अब्बास को. अयान अब्बास, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल अस व्हिच वे डिड यू लाइक?
फिंगर्स.
यू आल्सो लाइक द फिंगर वे. ओके ओके, अब्राहम बताइए व्हिच वे डिड यू लाइक?
टीचर नंबर लाइन एडिशन.
Okay, so how do we do that?
Teacher, 5 plus 5. You have to make a scale and there will be 10 till counting. You have to circle 5 and then go forward towards to the 5 plus. So then you can have, then the answer will be 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Abraham, for explaining it. You did it amazingly, very good. And number line is also one of the favorite, way to do the addition. Okay, so the last way, Hassan, unmute yourself और हमें बताइए कि जो last way है वो कौन सा way है? Unmute करें बेटे.
Counters.
Okay, doing addition by the counters. Can you explain it to everyone?
Miss,
बोलिए.
Miss, we take 3 pens in one side and 2 pens in other side. We
Okay.
will add it. The answer will be 5.
Okay, very good. So you would do it. The counters are basically known as the objects that through which we take help and add the following. Okay, so we have done the review of addition, and today we will be learning that what are the different ways to perform the subtraction, because we learned about addition. So the addition के कुछ ways हैं, तो obviously subtraction के भी कुछ ways हो सकते हैं. Am I right? So let's watch a video and I'll be explaining it to you. Oh, just give me a second. Different ways to perform addition. Okay, here it is. This is for addition, this is for subtraction. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen with you all. बेटा जरा मुझे ये बताइएगा, आपको मेरी आवाज, am I audible to everyone? Can you all hear me clearly? Just give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Just send me a thumbs up through Zoom. Okay. Abdul Bari, Maheen, Abraham, Hassan, Zainab, Malahim, Amna, Fahad, Maheen, Alishba, Ishal. Okay, तो बेटे जब इन सबको आवाज आ रही है, I don't know why अयान अहमद को मेरी आवाज क्यों नहीं जा रही है, I don't know why, जब सबको बिल्कुल क्लियरली जा रही है. Okay, so let's watch a video and I hope उसको अब मेरे पास से उनको आवाज चली जाए. Okay, can you all hear the videos, the sound of the video? If you can, just give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Okay, no. So I'll be explaining it to you. Don't worry about that. Bete, stop doing that, otherwise I won't be sharing my screen. Okay, so today we will be learning about the different ways to do subtraction. Okay, so here is the teacher and her name is Miss Lucy. Okay, so the first type to do the first way to do the subtraction is doing subtraction by using the dots. Okay, how to perform the subtraction by using the dots. Okay, so here is one question in which you can see 4 minus 1. So what we did is we drew 4 dots in front of 4, and then okay, so the number that is up, okay, we call it the minuend, right? And the number which we are supposed to minus is known as the subtrahend, right? So we have 4 dots in the minuend because there is number 4. Now what we have to do is we are supposed to subtract 1. We have to the number in subtrahend is 1. Okay. So what we will do is we'll cross on 1 dot, right? And how many are left now? 1, 2, and 3. So oops, 2 and 3. Here are the 3 dots. And what is the answer? Now what's going to be the answer? The answer is 3. Excellent. You can show me your fingers. Okay, very nice. Okay, so here is another example. Okay, now we'll be subtracting 7 minus 5. So the minuend is 7 and subtrahend is 5. Now we'll be putting 7 dots. Okay, 7 lollipops, sorry. Now we will take away, we'll cut 5 lollipops. How many are left? What is the difference? Okay, so Hassan is saying 2. and Zainab is saying 2. Shabi Fatma is saying 2. Maheen and 5. Okay, excellent. Okay, so the first type of doing subtraction was using the dots. The second is using number line. Okay, so this was in the addition as well. ये type जो थी वो addition में भी थी. Let's see कि subtraction में इसको कैसे use करते हैं. The second way. Okay, so you have already seen this is the number line. This was the number line in the addition as well, right? Okay, now what we have to do is we have to find out that 6 minus 2 होता, what is the answer? So हम addition में क्या कर रहे थे? We were supposed to do is हम number को circle कर रहे थे. So in this case we will do the same process. Okay, we will be putting the circle around 6. Okay, and then there is minus 2. So we will jump 2 times, but at the backward, right? हम पीछे की तरफ jump करेंगे. What we do in the addition, हम jump forward करते हैं. But when it comes to the subtraction through number line, we move towards backward. See, in the picture you can see that 6 is the minuend and we circled 6 over here. Then we wanted to minus 2. Yes, Hassan, you can put your fingers down. I can see the answer, okay? So what we did is we jumped backward 2 times because there is 2. Okay? So we took 2 jumps, right? So the answer is, now you can show the answer, Hassan. Okay, so Alishba, yes. So okay, so the second jump, जब हमने second jump की तो हम कहाँ आके stop करें? 4 पे. So what is the answer now? The answer is 4. Okay, the difference of this is 4. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Did you understood the how to do the subtraction using number line? Show me a thumbs up through Zoom. Show me a thumbs up through Zoom if you understood this. Okay, excellent. Very nice. Very good. Okay, let's continue then. Okay, so she's subtracting 9 minus 3. So what we'll do is we'll circle 9. Okay, 9 is the minuend. And we'll jump 3 times backward. And what was the answer now? The answer is 6. Okay, so the answer that the difference we find out is 6. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now the third way to do the subtraction is subtract mentally. Let's see how it. Okay, so Miss Lucy is going to teach you. Okay. Okay, so you're supposed to find out 5 minus 2. Okay, so what you do is this rabbit kept the number 5 in his mind. Okay, and what he did is he jumped 2 times back in his mind. Okay, what he did is he took 5 in his mind and then he thought that if I jump one time at the back, it will become 4, and then if I'll jump again, it will become 3, right? He started thinking it. He did jump 1 by 1. इसने अपनी fingers use नहीं करी. He did it mentally. Okay, let's see how it works. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. ठीक है, the difference is 3. Now you are supposed to remember कि जब हम subtraction करते हैं तो हम backward जाते हैं, ठीक है, and whenever we do addition we go forward. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? ठीक है? Let's take in another example. 7 minus 3. Okay? Okay, so I want someone else. I want someone else to do it. Some of you do it. आप में से कोई मुझे करके दिखाए. Okay, so let's give a chance to Faik. जी Faik, जरा हमें समझाएंगे ये कैसे परफॉर्म हो रहा है?
मिस
जी बताइए.
जब हम जंप करें तो आंसर जिस पे 5 हमारे माइंड 7 हमारे माइंड में, तो हमने 3 से माइनस कर दिया उसे, तो आंसर 4 है.
बेटे तो आप कर क्या रहे हैं? आप डॉट्स बना के कट कर रहे हैं या आप उनको जंप करा रहे हैं या आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप ये तो बताएं मुझे साथ में कि आप परफॉर्म कैसे कर रहे हो.
मिस डॉट्स.
Okay, you're doing it with by the dots. Okay. Okay, someone else. Can someone else explain it to me? Okay, Hassan is raising his hand. Yes, Hassan, boliye, unmute yourself.
Miss, when we 7 minus 3, the answer is 4.
Okay, you said okay.
Subtract
So
mentally.
what did you did? Do you make your mind jump on the numbers one by one? Was this the way you did it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this is it for today, but I want you to do one thing, and that one thing is I want all of you to bring your rough copies. Hurry up. And by Monday, I want all of you to bring your course from the school. Take your course books from the school, because Monday से हम अपनी copies में complete काम करना start करेंगे. And that's very important. ठीक है? I want all of you to do hurry up because आपकी English की class start होने वाली है. And I want you to write down. I'm sharing my screen with you. And where is my screen? Okay, so write at the top of the page different ways to do addition. Write down different ways to do addition. So the first way to do addition is add with the help of fingers. The second way is to use counters to add. Okay. Two. Use counters to add. Third is use of number line. Use of number line to add. Third and the fourth and the last is count mentally. Write it down.
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। आप म्यूटेड हुई हो। टीचर आप म्यूटेड हुई हो।
Okay, now I guess you can hear me. I guess you all can hear me. Okay, sorry I didn't saw कि मेरा mic mute हुआ था. I'm sorry. अच्छा, मैं आपको this is you are supposed to just write down these things in the rough copy, not in your fair copy. Okay, and I want all of you to take your course books and your course from the school. It is available over there. Take it by Monday. And ये सिर्फ रफ कॉपी में लिखना है, नॉट इन योर फेयर कॉपीज, ठीक है। ये सिर्फ मैं इसलिए लिखवा रही हूँ क्योंकि इन द नेक्स्ट वीक यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ सरप्राइज क्विज ऑफ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन, ठीक है। सो प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ बिकॉज इट्स वीकेंड कमिंग, दैट्स व्हाई मैं आपको ये दे रही हूँ कि आप प्रैक्टिस कर लो। ओके, तो आप इसको रफ कॉपी में लिखो, कहीं और मत लिखना और प्रैक्टिस करना। ओके, बिकॉज आपकी क्लास 3 मिनट्स में एंड हो जाएगी। आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू राइट इट डाउन, हरी अप। You can take a screenshot as well. आप screenshot भी ले सकते हो, आप screenshot भी ले सकते हो। Take help from your any elder brother, sister. Elishba, you have done? You have written? Bete, those who have written, give me a thumbs up. Those who have written or taken a screenshot, kindly give me a thumbs up, beta. Okay, Amna Tabish has written. Amna Tabish, Hassanullah, you can leave the class and join it after 2 minutes. Miss Sidra will, start a new one. Amna Tabish, Hassan, you can leave the class. Okay, Abraham, you may go also. And join after 2 minutes. Yes, Alishba, you can go also. Go. Fatma, you can leave. You people can leave. Okay, Zainab, you can leave also. Abdul Bari, you can go. Okay, Malahim, you can leave. Faria, you can go. Okay, so this is it for today. Allah Hafiz, take care, and I'm ending the class.